Are you unintentionally throwing money away every single day? If you're like most people, the answer is yes. But here's the thing, it's not your fault. Hidden habits, beliefs, and choices might be silently draining your wealth without you even realizing it. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top ways you're losing money daily, and, more importantly, how to stop it and take control of your financial future. Stick with me till the end, because these tips could save you thousands. Money isn't just paper or numbers in your bank account, it's energy, and how you handle it directly impacts how much you attract. Unfortunately, most of us are unknowingly caught in a cycle of scarcity. Today, we'll break that cycle by uncovering hidden wealth drains and replacing them with wealth-attracting habits. Let's dive in. Let's start with a big one: impulse spending. Whether it's online shopping or that coffee you grab every morning without thinking, these small, frequent purchases add up. Here's a simple challenge. Track your unnecessary expenses for just 1 week. You'll be shocked by how much you're spending on things that don't truly serve you. Pro tip: before buying anything, ask yourself, does this purchase bring me closer to my goals, or is it just a distraction? Have you checked your subscriptions lately? Streaming services, memberships, and apps you forgot you signed up for might still be silently charging your account. This is what I call invisible money leakage. Go through your bank statements and cancel anything that doesn't add value to your life. Without a budget, you're like a ship without a compass. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will find its own way, and usually that means disappearing. Use budgeting tools or even a simple spreadsheet to allocate every dollar a purpose. One of the biggest money drains isn't in your wallet, it's in your mind. Thinking thoughts like, "I'll never have enough," or "money is hard to earn," creates a negative vibration. Your beliefs shape your reality, so if you believe money is scarce, that's what you'll experience. Replace limiting beliefs with affirmations like, "Money flows to me easily and abundantly." Write this down and repeat it daily. Are you afraid of putting your money to work? Keeping all your savings in a low-interest bank account might feel safe, but it's actually costing you in the long run. Inflation erodes your wealth over time. Educate yourself about smart investing. It's one of the most powerful ways to grow your money. Write down every dollar that comes in and goes out. This isn't just about tracking, it's about building awareness. When you're aware of your spending, you can consciously align it with your goals. Pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer to a savings or investment account each month. Even small amounts add up over time. Think of this as building your freedom fund, money that works for you instead of the other way around. How often do you dedicate time to learning about personal finance? Take 15 minutes a day to read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos about money management. Knowledge is power, and when you understand how money works, you can make it work for you. Here's the truth. Losing money daily doesn't just hurt your bank account. It impacts your confidence, your goals, and your dreams. But now that you know the hidden traps and how to fix them, you can take back control. Remember, money is a tool. Use it wisely, and it will help you build the life you've always dreamed of. And there's an amazing tool to help you on your wealth journey. The Manifest app is like having a manifestation coach right in your pocket. It helps you set goals, practice visualization, and keep a gratitude journal, all crucial steps for attracting abundance. Click the link in the description below to download it today and start taking charge of your financial future. You don't have to be perfect with money, but you do need to be intentional. Every small step you take today will compound into massive results in the future. Let's create a world where money flows to you effortlessly because you deserve it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Let's build an abundant community together.